Hello everyone, this is Sultan and I'm a data science and business analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation. My task was prediction using supervised machine learning, which involves predicting the percentage of marks a student is expected to score based upon the number of study hours. It is a simple linear regression task as it involves only two variables, that is the number of hours and scores. We first start with importing all the required libraries such as pandas, numpy and matplotlib. This is the link of the dataset we have used. Then we read the data using the read_csv function. And then we have a glance on the first few rows of our dataset using the .head function. In order to obtain the information regarding the type of data we have used, we use the .info function. So here we can see for the variable hours and scores we have 25 values each. Hours have values of float type, whereas the scores have values of integer type. Then next step is to plot the data. Here the number of hours is an independent variable, whereas scores is a dependent variable. Then we plot a scatter plot taking the number of hours studied on x-axis and scores on the y-axis. So by observing the graph, we can say that score increases with the number of hours, and we can verify this with the correlation coefficient, that is the correlation function here. By seeing these correlation values, which is closely equal to 1, we can say both the variables are positively correlated to each other. And then we prepare the data for further analysis. And then we proceed to splitting the data. So we split the data in proportion of 80:20, which is 80% of the data is taken for training and 20% is given for testing the data. And then we proceed for training the model. Here we have used the linear regression model. And then we plot the prediction line, that is the regression line using the line equation. Then we proceed to making predictions. So here we test our model by making predictions with the test dataset. And then we check the accuracy of the model as 94.5% and we get the model accuracy. Further, we compare the actual values and the predicted values. Here we can visualize the difference between the actual value and the predicted value. We evaluate the model using the given dataset, and we can see that if a student studies for 9.25 hours per day, our model predicts a score of 93.69%. Then we proceed to model evaluation, that is checking the efficiency of the model. So we use three parameters here, which is mean absolute error, mean squared error and R2 square. Our mean absolute error is 4.18, which indicates the chances of error through this model is very less, and the R2 square is 0.94, which is nearly equal to 1, which indicates that the model fits perfectly to the dataset. Thank you.